Pakistan, land of high peaks and deep valleys, a country where nature's grandeur is on full display, from the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the lush green valleys that stretch as far as the eye can see. This is a place where the landscape tells a story of ancient geological forces and timeless beauty. This is where you find adventure. Whether you're an avid hiker, a passionate photographer, or simply someone who loves to explore, Pakistan offers endless opportunities to connect with nature. The rugged terrain and breathtaking vistas provide a perfect backdrop for unforgettable experiences. This is where you find Pabaini. Nestled in the heart of the Swabi district, Pabaini is a village that remains largely untouched by the hustle and bustle of modern life. It's a place where time seems to stand still, and the simple pleasures of rural living are cherished. Pabaini is a small village. Its charm lies in its simplicity. Traditional houses, built with local materials, dot the landscape, each telling a story of generations past. The village is a testament to the enduring spirit of its inhabitants, who have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Is in the Swabi district. This district is known for its rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. The people of Swabi are known for their hospitality and warmth, always ready to welcome visitors with open arms. This district is in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, a province that boasts a diverse landscape from the fertile plains to the rugged mountains. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is a place where history and nature intertwine, offering a unique glimpse into Pakistan's past and present. The village is a hidden gem. Tucked away from the main roads, Pabaini offers a serene escape from the chaos of city life. It's a place where you can truly disconnect and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. It's a place of natural beauty. Surrounded by rolling hills and verdant fields, Pabaini is a haven for nature lovers. The landscape is a patchwork of green, with fields of crops and orchards providing a feast for the eyes. Pabaini sits in a valley. It's surrounded by hills. These hills, with their lush vegetation and diverse wildlife, are a natural barrier that protects the village from the outside world. They create a microcosm of peace and serenity, where the rhythms of nature dictate the pace of life. The hills are green and lush. In the spring and summer, they are covered in a blanket of wildflowers, adding splashes of color to the landscape. The air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the sound of birdsong, creating a sensory experience that is both calming and invigorating. The air is fresh and clean. Free from the pollution of the city, the air in Pabaini is crisp and invigorating. It's the kind of air that makes you want to take deep breaths and savor the moment. The clear blue skies add to the feeling of openness and freedom. It's a far cry from the city. Here there are no honking horns or crowded streets. Instead, you'll find quiet lanes and open spaces, where the only sounds are the rustling of leaves and the distant call of a bird. It's a place where you can truly relax and unwind. Pabaini is a place to relax. Whether you're sitting by a stream, walking through the fields, or simply enjoying the view from a hilltop, you'll find that time slows down here. It's a place where you can let go of your worries and just be. It's a place to reconnect with nature. In Pabaini, you can experience the simple joys of life, watching the sunrise over the hills, listening to the gentle flow of a stream, or just feeling the grass beneath your feet. It's a reminder of the beauty and tranquility that nature offers. The journey to Pabaini is an adventure. You can drive. The roads are well maintained, and the drive itself is a scenic experience. As you leave the city behind, you'll find yourself surrounded by the natural beauty of the countryside. You can take a bus. The local buses are a great way to experience the journey like a local. They wind through the hills, offering glimpses of the stunning landscape along the way. The roads wind through the hills. Each bend in the road reveals a new vista, from rolling fields to dense forests. It's a journey that keeps you engaged and excited, as you never know what beautiful scene will come into view next. Each turn reveals a new view. The landscape is constantly changing, offering a visual feast for travelers. From the golden hues of the fields to the deep greens of the forests, every moment is a new discovery. You see fields of crops, you see small streams. These are the lifeblood of the village, providing sustenance and beauty. The fields are meticulously tended, and the streams flow with crystal clear water, reflecting the purity of the environment. You feel the excitement building. As you get closer to Pabaini, the anticipation grows. You know that you're about to discover something special, a place that few have seen, but many will remember. You're about to discover something special. Welcome to Pabaini, a hidden gem in the heart of Pakistan, where nature and tradition come together to create a truly magical experience. Pabaini has a rich history. It goes back centuries. The village was founded by a group of families. They were seeking a new home. They found it in this fertile valley. The land was perfect for farming. The people of Pabaini worked hard. They built their homes, they cultivated the land, they raised their families. Generations passed, the village grew. The people of Pabaini kept their traditions alive. They valued hard work, they valued community, they valued their connection to the land. Today, Pabaini is still a small village. It's a place where time seems to move slower. It's a place where you can feel the weight of history. Pabaini is a paradise for nature lovers. Nestled in the heart of a vast, untouched wilderness, this valley offers a sanctuary for those seeking to reconnect with the natural world. The air is crisp and clean, filled with the earthy scent of the forest and the sweet aroma of blooming flowers. As you step into this haven, you are immediately enveloped by the serene beauty that defines Pabaini. The valley is bursting with life. Every corner you turn reveals a new spectacle of nature's wonders. The meadows are a riot of colors, with wildflowers painting the landscape in hues of red, yellow, blue, and purple. Each flower seems to tell its own story, contributing to the rich tapestry of the valley. You see vibrant colors everywhere. The flowers are not just beautiful to look at, they play a crucial role in the ecosystem, attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. These tiny creatures flit from flower to flower, ensuring the continuation of this vibrant cycle of life. There are wildflowers of all shapes and sizes. Some are delicate and small, while others are bold and striking. Together they create a mesmerizing mosaic that is both visually stunning and ecologically significant. The air is filled with the scent of pine trees. These towering giants stand as silent guardians of the valley, their needles whispering secrets to the wind. The sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor and creating a magical, almost otherworldly atmosphere. The sound of birdsong fills the air. From the cheerful chirping of sparrows to the melodious tunes of thrushes, the forest is alive with the music of its avian inhabitants. Each bird adds its unique note to the symphony, creating a harmonious blend that is both soothing and invigorating. It's a symphony of nature. The birds, the rustling leaves, the distant murmur of a stream, all these sounds come together to create a peaceful yet dynamic soundscape that is the heartbeat of Pabaini. You can't help but feel at peace. The tranquility of the valley seeps into your soul, washing away the stresses and strains of modern life. Here you can truly disconnect and find solace in the embrace of nature. The valley is home to a variety of animals. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, Pabaini is a thriving habitat for a diverse array of wildlife. You might see monkeys playing in the trees. These agile creatures leap from branch to branch with effortless grace, their playful antics providing endless entertainment for those lucky enough to witness them. You might see a deer darting through the forest. These elegant animals move with a quiet grace, their presence a reminder of the delicate balance of life in the valley. Birdwatchers will be in heaven. With so many different species to spot, each visit to Pabaini offers a new opportunity for discovery. Whether you're an experienced birder or a casual observer, the valley's avian diversity is sure to captivate you. There are so many different species to spot. From the common to the rare, each bird adds to the rich tapestry of life in Pabaini. The thrill of spotting a new species is a joy that never fades. You might even see a rare bird of prey soaring overhead. These majestic creatures command the skies, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below for their next meal. Seeing one in flight is a breathtaking experience that underscores the wild beauty of Pabaini. Pabaini is a reminder of the beauty of the natural world. In a time when so much of our planet is under threat, places like this are invaluable. They remind us of what we stand to lose and inspire us to protect and preserve the natural wonders that still remain. It's a place to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life. Here you can find peace, inspiration, and a renewed sense of connection to the world around you. Pabaini is not just a destination, it's a sanctuary for the soul. The people of Pabaini are warm and welcoming. They are proud of their village. They are happy to share it with visitors. Life in Pabaini is simple. It revolves around family, community, and the land. People work hard. They also know how to enjoy life. The village has a strong sense of community. Everyone knows each other. They help each other out. They celebrate together. Pabaini is a place where you can experience true Pakistani hospitality. You'll feel like you're part of the family. Section 5. Sporting spirit and recreation. Don't be fooled by the peaceful setting. The people of Pabaini are competitive. They have a deep-rooted love for sports and outdoor activities that is evident in their daily lives. They love sports. Cricket is the most popular sport. From a young age, children are seen with cricket bats, playing in grassy fields with the majestic hills as their backdrop. The enthusiasm for cricket is palpable and it brings the community together. You'll find kids playing in the streets, you'll find adults playing in the fields. The narrow village streets often turn into impromptu cricket pitches and the open fields become arenas for spirited matches among adults. It's a sport that transcends age and unites everyone. Volleyball is another popular sport. There are several volleyball courts in the village. Tournaments are held regularly. These tournaments are a big event, drawing spectators from all around, creating an atmosphere of excitement and camaraderie. When they're not playing sports, the people of Pabaini enjoy spending time outdoors. The natural beauty of the village offers the perfect setting for various recreational activities. Families often gather for picnics, sharing meals and laughter in the scenic outdoors. They go for walks in the hills, they have picnics by the river. The lush green hills provide excellent trails for hiking, and the serene riverside is a favorite spot for families to relax and enjoy nature's tranquility. They simply enjoy the fresh air and the beautiful scenery. The villagers take pride in their surroundings and make the most of the natural beauty that Pabaini offers. Whether it's a quiet moment of reflection or a lively gathering, the outdoors is an integral part of their lives. Life in Pabaini is about finding a balance. It's about working hard and playing hard. The villagers are dedicated to their work, but they also understand the importance of recreation and relaxation. This balance is what makes their community vibrant and resilient. Section 6. Exploring nearby natural attractions. Pabaini is a great base for exploring the surrounding area. There are many natural attractions within easy reach. The Swat Valley is a short drive away. It's known as the Switzerland of Pakistan. It's easy to see why. The valley is stunningly beautiful. It's surrounded by towering mountains, lush green meadows and sparkling lakes. Another nearby attraction is the Kagan Valley. It's famous for its stunning natural beauty. The valley is home to several lakes, waterfalls and glaciers. You can spend days exploring these valleys. You'll find something new and amazing around every corner. Section 7. Conservation, protecting our paradise. Pabaini is a reminder of the importance of protecting our planet. The villagers understand this. They have a deep respect for nature. They know that their livelihoods depend on it. They're working hard to preserve their environment. They are promoting sustainable tourism. They are educating future generations about the importance of conservation. Visitors to Pabaini can help. We must respect the environment. We must leave no trace of our presence. We must support local conservation efforts. Together we can ensure that Pabaini remains a paradise for generations to come. Section 8. Pabaini, a call to tranquility. Pabaini is a place of peace and tranquility. It's a place to escape the stresses of modern life. It's a place to reconnect with nature. It's a place to find yourself. The village offers something for everyone. You can relax and enjoy the scenery. You can go for hikes in the hills. You can experience the local culture. Pabaini is a place where you can truly disconnect. There's no need for phones or the internet, just you and the beauty of nature. It's a chance to recharge your batteries. It's a chance to appreciate the simple things in life. Section 9. Leaving a legacy, responsible tourism. Pabaini is a hidden gem. It's a place that deserves to be shared with the world, but we must do so responsibly. Tourism can be a double-edged sword. It can bring economic benefits. It can also have negative impacts on the environment and local culture. We must be mindful of our impact. We must respect the local culture. We must support local businesses. We must minimize our environmental footprint. Let's work together. Let's make sure that Pabaini remains a sustainable destination. Let's preserve its beauty for future generations. Let's leave a positive legacy. Remember, take only memories, leave only footprints.